room tour of room 12007 in Beau Rivage, Biloxi. And this place really is a mini Bellagio. I'll do a full tour of it because it really is quite something when you look at it. It really reminds you of Bellagio massively. But for now we'll just have the room tour. So the bathroom is on your left as you come in. Got a walk-in shower here. Even the room's sort of like a mini Bellagio room, if you know what I mean. We've just basically come in from a 10.5-hour drive from St. Louis to Biloxi. Incredible drive, actually. We barely put a foot on the brake. We split the driving. So a very nice bathroom. And then your safe and what have you is in here. Actually, there's a... Oh, okay, you get a fridge down there as well. And I think originally this place was built as a Bellagio 2 by Steve Wynn, from what I understand. So a nice comfy bed there. Now this is a King Gulf view, and you'll see why in a second. It's nice artwork there. And the telly's huge. And then here we have the view of the Biloxi Gulf. And the water is, you can see it's brown from when you drive up towards it, actually. And if I go sort of that way, you've got a great view of the Gulf Coast. And you'll see with the thumbnail for this video, I got a nice shot as the sun was going down. It's now actually gone down. Oh, actually no, there it is, right in the corner there, look. But that is quite something, isn't it? It's a lovely, lovely shot. So there's a number of casinos along this stretch. I'm not sure how many you can actually walk to, but we're gonna have an explore for the next couple of days. We're here for 2 nights, and we now actually enter a quite relaxing phase of Bridger Across America, having travelled quite some distance the last few days. We've pretty much got best part of a week really, where we've got pretty quick journeys everywhere. So we've broken the back of the travelling, for the time being at least, until we sort of hit Arizona and what have you onwards, Arizona and California and up to Nevada. But yes, I'm going to enjoy my couple of days in Biloxi. So I will speak to you soon. Take care.